Now let's have more in-depth session about steps to develop a project charter. So as we mentioned before, developing a project charter is a structured process that requires an input from various stakeholders and alignment with the strategic organizational strategies. And this ensures that the project is well defined and has the necessary buy-in from all of the relevant parties, as a systematic approach minimizes the ambiguity and sets the project on a solid foundation. The key inputs here when creating a project charter, the process begins by gathering the inputs that defines the project contexts. Organizational strategies also provide a high-level alignment with the business objectives. The stakeholder needs are crucial to ensure that the project delivers a value to its beneficiaries. Also, external environment factors like the market conditions or regulatory requirements are the key consideration during this stage. So, the key points here we have is the organizational strategies to ensure the alignment with the business goals. Also, the second input here is the stakeholder needs, which capture the expectation and requirements, high-level requirements of the project from the stakeholders. And lastly, the environmental factors or the OPAs consider the external influences and constraints. Now let's discuss each of these inputs in more detail. So the organizational strategies serves as the guiding framework for all of the project. By ensuring that the project align with the strategic objectives, organizations can allocate resources, budgets, times, timelines effectively and maximizes the ROI. And this alignment also helps in gaining the leadership support and approval. So, to summarize, what are the organization strategies considered as an input? As we say that it's established or establishes the project alignment with the corporate objectives, also help in prioritizing the resources and budget towards the strategic initiatives. It also provides the foundation for the project justification. Now let's have more detail about the stakeholder needs as an input to develop the project charter. So understanding the stakeholder needs is critical for the project success. Early identification and documentation of these needs ensures that the project objectives are relevant and align with the project stakeholder expectation. This proactive approach reduces the resistance and enhances collaboration throughout all of the project lifecycle. What are the techniques and tools that is used to create the project charter? A combination of tools and techniques is used to develop the project charter, including the brainstorming, which is useful for gathering a wide range of ideas and perspective, and that also helps to generate, creative ideas, defying the project scope. The next tool here we have is the expert judgment, which ensures that the decisions are informed by an experienced and knowledge persons or stakeholder. The last tool here is or technique is the facilitation techniques. So facilitation technique helps in managing discussions or resolving conflicts and achieving the you know agreement between different stakeholders. Let's now understand each of these tools in more depth. So, as we say that brainstorming sessions provide an open platform for generating ideas and identifying any challenges with that idea. By involving a diverse stakeholder, this technique ensures a well rounded understanding of the project scope, objectives, and any potential risks. Next tool here we have is the expert judgment. So, expert judgment is invaluable project charter development. So, experienced professionals can identify any potential risks or validate any assumptions and also suggest a realistic constraints based on their experience. Their insights ensures that the charter is both comprehensive and feasible. What are the key outputs of the project charter when developing a project charter? So, the approved project charter is the primary output of this process. It formalizes the project authorization and provides a high level baseline for the next phases. This document is referenced through the project lifecycle to ensure the alignment with the initial goals and objectives. Let's have a real world example. For instance, and let's say a manufacturing company initiated a project to automate its assembly line. So the business case will highlight the potential cost savings and efficiency gains. During the brainstorming, stakeholders identify high level deliverables, and expert judgment will validate the visibility of the proposed automation technologies that is going to be used by the project to deliver, let's say, the automation line project. To recap or to summarize our session here is we say that developing the project charter is a systematic process involving strategic inputs, collaborative tools, and formal approval. By focusing on the alignment with the organizational strategies and stakeholder needs, the charter provides a solid foundation for project planning and execution.